Cash, everyone, and today I'm here with Shooter. And today we're going to go pond fishing again. I saw all those views on the pond fishing videos. I wonder if we just did another one. So, what I'm going to be throwing is a crankbait. Here we go. And then I'm going to just be throwing this little one.
And I'm going to be throwing a, what is this thing called? Cheeto?
Yeah, we call it
a Cheeto worm with a wacky hook.
So, see you when we get to the pond. Right about now. Right now, we just spotted this dead catfish. Looks like something ate it. We got on the dock right now. We're gonna fish for a little bit. I'm gonna throw out my catfish line. I caught 2 yesterday. They're big.
Mini pole.
Huh?
Can I throw your mini pole out there?
Yeah, I'll try. But I'm gonna throw out catfish right here. Line, and then let's see if we can't try to catch a catfish out here. So, see you when we get the lines in the water. Sorry I haven't been posting in a while. It's just that I've been coming down here and catching fish, and she usually doesn't want to come in video. And I just want to say sorry. That's why we're going to try to catch some fish in this video to make up for it. So right now, that's like about
That's a
3.
2 pounder.
That's
Nice.
a 2 pounder.
Pound and a half.
They like that live stuff. I need a little minnow on here.
So I just got this about 1.5 pound black bass
Oh God!
On live perch.
on a live perch. I just dropped it right there. And
You snagged it.
Right now, my mom and my dad just showed up, and they're here, and they're gonna try to fish.
I am fishing.
So go over here and see what she has on.
Little minnow.
The nice weather stretch continues after the 4th of July. We're looking at some great conditions to get out in the water.
Right now, we're about to leave the pond. Shooter, come over here. We just got back from the pond right now. We got some luck. Shooter caught a nice one. You'll see it in the video. It was on live bait, and I was gonna try to catch one. It's also my birthday today, and I just wanted to say sorry for not posting all these videos and stuff.
hey, and remember to subscribe and comment and give us ideas for his birthday.
Yeah. Comment down below any more ideas for different videos.
Subscribe for his birthday.
And, well, another video of Big Bass Cash.